my goodness gracious, my dear friends. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't seen the other videos that are a prelude to this one, go on and watch those before you watch this. It will give you some context and will help all this make sense. In case you don't want to watch that, here's some context. I made a video trolling some people that were trolling me, and they were also trolling Wranglerstar and were attacking me over an axe video, okay? Or an axe head video like months ago. So then I decided, I was like, you know what? They kept trolling me about it and posting stuff, smart aleck stuff all across my channel, and I'm an obnoxious human being by nature, and I'm a wise ass. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to troll these guys that were trolling me. So I made a video trolling them with a Microsoft Flight Simulator. As a response to that, overnight, I woke up to like, I don't know, it's probably like 60 comments all spread across my channel on that video. All this nasty, vitriol comments. Some of them were kind of funny. A lot of them were like just vulgar and hateful and all this other stuff. I have a thick skin and I'm a wise ass. I mean, that's just what I am, okay? I can't help it. So I didn't take too much offense to it, so I thought it was kind of funny, and I'm like, hey, you know what? I'm going to make a video, and I'm just going to read some of these comments because they're a little, they're mean, but they're funny, right? And so they were mostly comments that were aimed against me and Wranglerstar, and they just comment all over my channel. I had to go and delete them all and clean it up. It was very time consuming. Okay. And then I made a video about that. Now we've moved on to, I guess it's escalating now. And so now I'm getting emails from some of these guys to my channel email that I have for, just to communicate with other content creators and some of you guys and, people that are interested in sending me gear to review because I'm not rich, all this other stuff. So I picked out one that was probably the funniest and lengthiest one that was emailed out to me. And I thought I would just read it to you guys because I think this has escalated to a full-out comment, meme, email war between me and Wranglerstar's trolls because they get mad that I'm defending Wranglerstar, my comments, and then there's now, I guess, Wranglerstar's trolls have now become my trolls. So, yay, hooray for that. Okay, so I'm just going to read this one. It's pretty funny. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Grammar warning. I'm trying to figure out the writings of what would equate to Egyptian hieroglyphics and a rambling drunk man. Dear Mountain Adventure Channel, I don't know why I'm wasting my time reading this, but someone has to tell you the truth because clearly no one else will. You and that clown Wranglerstar, yeah, I said it, are the two biggest jokes on YouTube. Seriously, how do you guys even sleep at night? You both are the definitions of sellouts, and it's embarrassing to watch. First of all, Wranglerstar, oh man, where do I even start? The guy struts around his little homestead like he's the messiah of self-reliance. But we all know that he's just a glorified tool salesman. The only thing he's building is his bank account off of gullible fans who think he's some kind of survival homesteading guru with his warband. Oh yeah, real tough guy, splitting logs, waxing and talking philosophical mumbo-jumbo about the good old days and trad wives. And then running inside to answer emails from his sponsors. Give me a break. He probably never done an honest day's work in his life. And you're just as bad, if not worse. Let's talk about your channel, Mountain Adventure Channel. Adventure into what exactly? Mediocrity? I've seen more excitement on the Weather Channel documentary. Your creepy stories are neither creepy nor stories. They're just cringe, including attempts to sound creative. And your gear insights are idiotic and stupid. And don't even get me started on your other content, which we won't speak of. Do you record these videos and these ideas while you're laying on your couch in your sweatpants? Because that's about as much effort as I imagine you put in your day-to-day life. You know what it is? Your channel is a sad knockoff of other channels, and I'm not going to degrade them by mentioning them. Your defense of Wranglerstar is as phony and bootlicking as the next channel. And this whole reading mean comments thing you've been doing lately, what are you even trying to prove? You think you're trolling us to make yourself look clever? Newsflash, it doesn't. It just makes you look like you care way too much about what people think, like me. Spoiler alert, we don't care about what you think. We think you're a sellout and a loser, both of you. At least Wranglerstar has the decency to act like he's ignoring the criticism and blocking people on his channel. But you're out there doing a whole comedy routine like a little monkey doing a song and dance, and you think it's funny for people to watch. It's as funny as watching paint dry. Oh, and let's not forget about the sponsors. You think we don't see through your little grift. Wranglerstar's out there hawking over overpriced tools and one can only assume you're working on some merch line secretly behind the scenes. What's it going to be, Mountain Adventure Channel? Hats for 3 fans who can't get enough of your low-budget video quality in your garage? Maybe a Wranglerstar and Mountain Adventure Channel collab where you both sign axes and sell them to schmucks for overpriced value? Honestly, the level of deception from you and from him is hilarious, and I didn't fall for it. And don't even pretend like you're in this for anything other than the money. YouTube isn't your passion. It's just your meal ticket. You're getting rich with your overpriced survival gear and backpacking gear as much as he's getting rich of his overpriced tools and Kubota tractor. Corporate puppets pretending to care about your audience while cashing in on their stupidity. It's pathetic. I can't decide what's worse, Wranglerstar's fake ruggedness or your wannabe survival niche. Actually, no, it's you. At least he has some money and production value. Your channel is just a bargain bin content slapped together by someone who clearly has way too much time on their hands. Do you even have a job at this point? Or is your wife make all the money and you just sit back and pretend to be important? Anyway, I'm sure you'll read this on your channel and try to laugh it off. Go ahead. It'll be the first time anyone's laughed at something you've said intentionally. You and Wranglerstar can sit there patting yourselves on the back while the rest of us work and earn a living and try to avoid running into your embarrassment secondhand on YouTube. Sincerely, someone who actually matters. P.S. If this hurts your feelings, maybe it'll inspire you to actually do something worthwhile with your life for once. But I doubt it, though. So yeah, that's what this has escalated to. I honestly, it's kind of funny. It gives me something to do. I don't even know what to say to that, really. I mean, that's really escalated. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and I feel like a war has begun between these trolls, and I don't know. I don't know what to do about it, but my inbox is like pop, 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 so we'll see. All right, guys, be safe out there. See you later.